Build America bonds were a special kind of municipal bond created during the financial crisis. Here is the beginner version. Build America bonds, often called BABs, helped state and local governments borrow for public projects. The headline feature was a federal payment meant to reduce borrowing costs for eligible public issuers. They looked like municipal bonds, but the tax treatment and subsidy structure made them different from traditional tax-exempt munis. Traditional municipal bonds often focus on investor tax benefits, while BABs focused on an issuer subsidy. In a simplified example, a subsidy can lower the issuer's net interest cost compared with the full coupon. For beginners, the important distinction is who receives the tax benefit and how that changes bond pricing. Build America bonds show how policy can reshape borrowing markets. Use this as education, not financial advice.